One puzzle that the third graders are using to practice their multiplication skills is called the KaKooma. And in this puzzle, you're going to see the operation that's located in the middle. The directions are up at the top, that there's 8 number squares. You need to find the number that is the product of the 2 other numbers that are in that square. You use all 8 products to create one final addition problem that's on the bottom. So if I look at this square right here, and I want to solve, I'm going to look for 2 numbers that multiply and I find a product. So if I know that, and I look for smaller numbers, the kids realize that they're not going to multiply 24 times 45 or 14 times 7 because there is not a number or a product or answer that's big enough. So 4 times 7 equals 28. So they'll circle 28 and then they can write 28 in the box. If I look at the box to the right, I know that 4 times 10 equals 40. Then I'm going to write 40 in the box. Then I'm going to look for 2 numbers that multiply and find the product. I know that 7 and 5 multiply to give me 35 right here. And then if I look in the next box below, I know that 8 times 6 equals 48. So I'm going to write 48 here. Next, we're going to look at the box below, and if we look at 5 times 6, that equals 30. So then I can write 30 here, and then I'm going to look at the box that's next to it. 8 times 4 equals 32. And I'm going to write 32 there. I'm going to go to the box beside it, and I know that 10 times 2 equals 20. So I'm going to write 20 in that box. Or, it doesn't matter what box you write it in. And then if I have my final box right here, I have, let's see, 9 and 3, which equals 27. Okay, and then I'm going to write that below. Then I'm going to find 2 numbers. I look at my operation symbol in the middle. It's addition now. So I'm going to look at 2 numbers that add together, and I'm going to find the sum or the answer in there. And if I look at 28, or if I add 28 plus 20, that will equal 48. And so my final answer is 48.